Ha 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 ha! Oh, now I know that you've. There have been some trials and tribulations with yours. You did. I know Tyler did such a lot of bricks before, bridges before, that I'm surprised that he's got enough balsa wood left to do one at all. So well done. Now this is an interesting one. This has obviously been regurgitated here. Is it? This is all sorts of spongy-wungy stuff in there. What is that?
It's just shreds of balsa. I planed it with a...
Did you? Just to pack it out there?
Yeah, just to make a flat surface to put the bricks on.
Okay. Now, arch shape, kept in that arch shape by a series of struts vertically and tensile members taking a somewhat weird route down below here. This is there for what reasons? Because there's going to be bricks put there as well?
Yeah, I'm putting bricks on there and then up top.
Quite sure. I wonder if this was doing a little bit as Sarah was trying to do to give some stiffness to it, because you see that is intention.
I had the string on there,
yeah,
and then the whole thing just bowed out really easy.
Okay. So ironically, although it looks totally different from Sarah's one, nonetheless, the principle of trying to get stiffness in it by, at the sacrifice of a bit of weight. 69 grams, though, I mean, that's not too bad at all. And as I say, congratulations, Tyler, for having any balsa wood left after what you've been doing. That's astounding. Now, why that's important is that the report is based upon early experiments that the student has done as well. So none of what you've done before is wasted. There should be a fair number of photos and certainly sketches and ideas. Well, maybe not photos, but at least some sketches of what you did. Okay, so where do you think it will break?
Well, when I put 4 on, the whole thing bows this way, so I'm assuming it'll break there, or right in the same.
Yes, I think that there and there, I think that's right, because putting bricks here and here is meaning that this whole block is going to move relatively in unison, which means if it does, and if these ends are still held together, the only thing that can happen is that this will bend there at the haunches. This is great. This is an introduction to, we're going to be talking about arch structures a few lectures from now anyway. And what happens is with an arch, when it's pushed down at the top there, the haunches tend to push out. So it's like bending in that direction. And of course, this wood won't take too much. So I think that that's going to be quite classic. So let's go ahead and load. What did this one weigh? 69, did I say? Yeah, 69. Okay. Great. Oh!
No, don't worry about it.
Don't worry. He's not worried at all. Okay. Now, that's interesting. Remember, deflection is not failure per se. It might alarm the dickens out of you if you were walking across such a bridge, but nonetheless, the art of a suspension bridge, and anybody's ever been over a rope bridge, it better move. Good God, that's ridiculous. That's astounding. Look at that. That's disgusting. Look at this. Okay, it's going to go at the 5th brick, which is perfect. Don't drop it. That's it. That's it. It moved away from you. Did you notice that? You will on there. Okay, it went exactly where you thought. Very graphically, that's for sure, very dramatically. It did break, certainly did break where the bricks went on and down and sort of destroyed the rest of it. But it broke there. But what was interesting was, as you put it, it moved away from you. So it was obviously on its way. Okay, we shall include, of course, the 5th brick in the wake there. Let's have a look at the slow-mo, and I think we'll see exactly what happened. It was like in 2 or 3 minute steps, as it were, towards failure. Now, you see, look, you're not touching. Look, it's moving away from you. You're still not now it is. Okay, there it goes. Okay, now, yeah, catch that one again, Robert. That's terrific. You see, what happened is that as you approached it, the bridge sort of retreated, as it were, vertically downwards. Incredible. And then, of course, oh, there's no way balsa wood can take that sort of bending for... Oh, what's that sort of monster rising from the deep there, unfortunately? Yeah, you see, now it went there. All the flakes of balsa wood give a very dramatic effect. That was quite a visually exciting one to see break, granted. Look at that. Crikey. It's almost explosive. Again, you see, look, you can see... Oh, isn't that beautiful? Almost frame by frame. You will get that crack appearing across there. Pure bending. Look, there it is. There it is. Excellent one. Well done. Okay, you hit it on the button. You deserve to, too. You put a lot of work into that. Great, good lad, splendid.